Good morning. Today is laundry day and I'm heading up to do laundry. We have set times that we do laundry and today is the day. And from 7 to 9 is when our time is, 7 a.m. So I'm headed up to do laundry. It's so nice with the van. So much nicer. Yeah, so starting our day off early with some laundry, and then the electricians are coming again today. Finish up Deborah's Casita, and then they'll probably start on mine. All right, let's do some laundry. I'm here. Okay, this is the turnbuckle for the other shed. It wasn't very tight, so I ended up tightening it a little bit. And I'm just going to go around and check all of them, make sure they're all tight. And then that'll be done. One for the AC and the other one to her shed. It has been raining again today. It's so nice though, because it is such a cooler day and it's not 100 degrees, but it's been humid, but nothing like South Texas. My windshield wipers on. It's the first time I've been up here, so.
First time you've been up?
Yeah, I've not been up here yet.
You want to show? You want to show everybody?
Well, they got the electricity off right now.
No, the fan's still going.
Well, to that breaker.
Oh.
Wires are in there. Or out of there. Probably looks like they go.
Work in progress. So Joel said that there's 2 suitcases up there. I'm thinking they're full of money. What do y'all think?
I'm hoping
I'm thinking it is. Didn't I say whatever's up there, if it's good, it's mine. If it's bad, it's not.
You know, they say the first person that opens it gets a curse. So
Yeah.
I'll go ahead and open it for you.
Yeah.
I think it's full of antiques.
It begins.
Joel.
There are suitcases in Jana's attic. And we're going to find out what they are.
Joel's going to go down there and get them and bring them down.
Bum, bum, bum. Don't fall through whatever you do.
No, that's all that walkway is boarded.
It's floored?
Yeah, floored. Oh, he thought they were bigger?
They're not as big.
They're not as big.
They're full of something, though.
They're full of something, though.
Yeah.
Clothes.
Gold.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I can go, buddy. Your back's hurting. Oh, let me go. You got it?
It's just gonna be a bunch of clothes.
It does look big.
Feels like clothes.
Clothes.
Clothes. One more. Oh, that's not clothes.
Go.
Clothes.
Feels like clothes.
Clothes.
Let's see.
How boring.
How boring. We don't know.
So who's gonna open it?
2014.
Atlanta from Dallas.
Yeah. Deborah's gonna open it.
There's a lot of screen, like window screen, and then you got some foil. You got insulation right here. You got plastic barrier wrap.
Oh.
Clothes.
What about those gloves?
Nice gloves. I don't want to stick my hand in them though, because we don't know what.
There might be some in them clothes.
Vanderbilt.
In Colorado. Well, let's see what this one is. Go ahead.
That's like a blanket.
Yeah, it wooden ball.
How weird is that?
Probably a mothball that petrified.
Oh, is that what those are?
I'm thinking.
Ta-da.
I don't see that. All right, here we go.
Here we go. There's some pockets on the outside of that too.
Ooh, what is that?
This is something's. Hey now.
Clothes.
Is that a mask?
What'd you find? He
bra.
says, hey now.
A bra.
I'm in this jacket or something. I don't know.
Double dare you to take that home to.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, look at that jacket.
Oh, it's a sack.
I love that jacket. What size is that jacket?
Yeah, it is thick.
It's a wool.
It's a
Extra
pink.
Extra large.
Oh.
See if there's anything in the pockets.
Yeah, but here.
This is amazing.
Socks. Stockings.
A bunch of socks.
Nothing. Where's the gold?
Where's the gold? Oh, what we got in here?
More
Some
socks.
panties.
Panties.
Panties to go with the bra.
Nothing.
Does this one have pockets too? No.
Nope.
I use black socks too.
These are leggings, brand new.
Leggings.
Oh,
Women's
look, a brand new shirt.
towels.
2XL.
Hey, that's my size.
Another shirt.
Ooh, insulated leggings.
2XL.
San Diego, Atlanta.
Well,
No telling how long this has been open.
look.
Open it. Open it.
Let's go with
He
the small
found
pocket.
it. He found it.
Just for today. They're a friend of Bill.
What is that?
A friend of Bill.
Yeah, they're a friend of Bill.
Oh,
Alcoholics
it's-
Anonymous.
Yeah.
Oh,
And a Band-Aid.
And a Band-Aid.
Band-Aid.
close that one up so that thing don't fall out.
That's crazy. A receipt.
Are you a friend of Bill?
Yes.
What type
Well, then
of-
you can take that. That's
Yes.
yours.
Yeah.
That's your good
Heck
luck
yeah.
thing. Heck yeah.
Departure gate.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
Yeah, you didn't even take the whole
Mario Citra.
Thank you.
billfold.
That is him. That is
No,
him.
no.
He's a scientist. So he is a scientist.
He was.
That's why I fly.
Oh, what's in here?
It's a bag.
It's
Man.
Belts.
Belt.
These people packed well. Oh, it's the suitcase.
Oh,
Oh, suitcase thing.
straps. These people packed well, man.
Oh, here's some more of that.
these are purses.
Ooh, look, they're brand new.
Brand new purses.
Oh my gosh.
What is that?
Purse.
What brand?
Michael Lux or Mike Lux.
You can put that on eBay.
1st of February.
Yeah, that's.
New York State Retired Teachers Association.
Aww.
Oh.
Do you need want any of this? No? You sure?
No.
Well, I might be silly, but I'm going to put this jacket on.
I don't know what Michael Lux is.
It's a big brand.
What else was in here? Oh, it's like snakeskin.
Yeah.
Or no, it looks like snakeskin. Meech. Well, that's Michael. Meech.
Well, how fun was that?
Oh,
Nothing but clothes.
retired teacher.
Dang it. Towel, clothes. Oh, Deborah found a jacket. Look at that.
It's pretty thick. It's real. Oh,
It
wow.
fits.
Check those out. Those looks like there's pockets.
Jeggings.
Hey, those
They're what?
Jeggings.
Somebody you know?
Jeggings?
No,
Because
I
they
don't
won't
have
be.
no idea.
Jean leggings.
Jean leggings.
That's cute. Oh, that's too cute.
That is cute.
Extra large. These are
Deborah found a
these are
purse.
the loose pants that they're starting to wear now. Oh no, they're kind of like they're wearing nowadays. So.
Good morning. There's my tree. I just love my tree. So I'm going to finish up yesterday's video this morning because I didn't do a ending clip of where we've left off in my casita installing the electricity. They didn't get finished. They were here till about 7 last night, and they're going to be back Monday to finish. And they're almost done. They just need some conduit, I think, is what they need. And so they're going to be back Monday. So let me show you how much they got done, and then I'm going to post this video. Okay, here is one of the mini splits. We opened it up to see what side the power was on, so they could put the AC disconnect on the outside wall, and I'll show you that. But this one was already wired for an air conditioner, and this is a dedicated plug that was there. They probably had a window unit here and plugged it in there. So Joel, the electrician, he just pulled that wire up. There's the attic up there, and he installed a junction box up there and then ran it over here, and we'll go outside and I'll show you the rest. But the mini split's gonna go right here. Okay, there's the AC disconnect box, and the wires right now is up there in the attic, and they're gonna bring it down, conduit down to here, and then this is a whip. Learn that, and it will, my compressor will be installed right there on the wall.